Hey, this is Willard Crafto, and this is the beginning of a new series that I'm going to be calling Simplex 425120 Restoration. So yeah, here it is, the one I'm going to be restoring. It's a first gen one because it has the smooth handle. Obviously it springs back up. There's the inside. I'm going to be polishing it all up and all that, and making it look better than new. Don't have those screw terminals, but you don't even need those anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna be painting it and everything like that too. So yeah. I'm actually, something interesting though, I'm going to be doing it like live on camera. Some of it. So yeah, that's just the overview of it.